This is the third tutorial of this series. In this series, we will do simple coding and I'll show you different ways to run or execute your Scratch code. So let's get started. Today I want to write a code for this sprite, which is cat. I want it to move, turn and play the music. In short, I want to make my sprite dance. So let's start it. From the motion block palette, I will drag and drop, move 10 steps and turn 15-degree right. I will join these blocks together. In place of 10, I'll write suppose 25. This is one of the easiest way to edit the block. Again, click on the text box and write any other number which you wish. Suppose 45-degree. Towards the right it will turn. Now if I want to add a music, what I'll do, at last you will see here one plus sign is there. That is actually for more blocks. Click on that plus sign. It will take you to the more block where you find many blocks: pen, video sensing, makey, translate, text to speech and so on. But as of now I'm using music. So just click on the music block and it will be added in your block palette. You can see music has been added below the my blocks, and in the block palette also you can see different blocks of music block category, that is play, drum, rest for 0.25 bits and so on. For example, as of now I am picking the first block of this music block category and I will just add them with my block. Play drum 1. See, when you click on the down arrow, you get different varieties of drums. Whichever you like, you can choose. As of now, I'm not doing any changes. And in place of 0.25, you can write other value also. So this small code for making my sprite dance has been ready. So just to run this, what I'll do, I'll simply click on the block and you will see the output on the stage. Just let me minimize the stage, clicking the first button. And let me drag this code this side so you can see the output properly. Now you see, I'll click on the block and you will see the output. My sprite is moving 10 steps, turning 45-degree and the music is playing. So in short, it is dancing. Along with this, I want to teach you different ways to run this code. First way you have already learned, that is by clicking the block. Just by clicking the block, you can run your code on the stage. Now I'll teach you the second way. For that, what you need to do, just drag and go to events block category. Where you need to go? Events block category. Below the sound you find events is written. Click on that. First events, that is when green flag clicked. I need to drag and drop. These are cap shape block. If you observe the shape is just like a hat, right? Or a cap. So you know that where you wear your hat. You wear your hat on the top of your head. So these blocks are always stacked at the top of each and every code. They never appear in between or at last. They always appear at the top, at starting of the code. So on just top of this, you will add this when green flag clicked. That means now you can run this code. One method you already know, that is by clicking the block. Now, as you have added when green flag clicked block from the events block category, now you can run your code by clicking the green flag. I'll show you. You can see here green flag is there and one red sign is there. Red circle indicates stop, right? I'll click on the green flag and my program will run. Observe. Understood? This is the second method to run your code. I'll show you the third method. Just remove this when green flag clicked block, put it back in the block palette. Now you choose when this sprite click block. When this sprite click block, this is also a hat shaped block which always appear on the top of the code. So just stack it or add it on the top. Now your code is ready. Now when you click the sprite or you touch the sprite, your program will run or execute. So you just see, I'm touching the sprite and my program is running. Understood? So this is the third method to run your code. Now I'll teach you the fourth method to run your code. Put it back, remove it. Now you can drag and drop when space key pressed. Just add this block again on the top of the code, and now when you press the space key, right now I don't have the keyboard connected to my mobile, so if you're using your laptop or desktop, when you press the space bar key, your code will run, right? But even though in all the cases the old method will work, that is by clicking the code. Just clicking the code or the stack of code, your program will run, right? So in place of space, if you click the down arrow next to the space, you will get many options. You can choose any of that, like up arrow. If you choose up arrow, that means when you click the up arrow from the keyboard, your code will run. If you choose down arrow, that means when you click the down arrow from the keyboard, your code will run. Any, if you choose any, that means if you press any key from the keyboard, your code is going to run. So you can choose anything from the list, A, B, C, D alphabet or space bar, up, down arrow, or any you can choose. So whatever the key you wish, you can press and your code will run. So I have taught you 4 different ways for running or executing the code, and also how to make your sprite dance. So keep on watching my videos for all the interesting and fun-filled animations and coding in Scratch. So if you like my video, please like, subscribe and share among your friends and family. Stay happy, stay healthy. At this point, I am signing off. Take care. Bye-bye, friends.